Start listening again to this
and mammals
animation.
breathe through their nose and lungs. Aquatic animals such as fish live in water and take in the oxygen that is dissolved in water. Fish, oysters, crabs, and some other aquatic animals breathe through their gills. Some animals, such as frogs, breathe through their skin when they are in water and through their lungs when on land. Plants breathe through small pores or holes in the leaves called stomata, found on the underside of leaves. All living things, including animals, need food for growth and energy. Some animals, such as sheep, goats, cows, rabbits, horses, and elephants, depend directly on grass or plants for their food, and they are known as herbivores. Some animals, such as lions, tigers, jaguars, and leopards, depend upon the flesh of plant-eating animals and other animals for food, and they are known as carnivores. Some animals, such as bear and crow, eat both plants and flesh of other animals. They are known as omnivores. Green plants prepare their own food. Their leaves have a substance called chlorophyll. The leaves, with the help of chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight, can prepare food known as starch and also release oxygen into the air, and this process is called photosynthesis. Some plants, such as carrot and beetroot, store extra food in the roots, and some plants, such as sugarcane, potato, and ginger, store extra food in the stem. Grapes and apples store extra food in the fruits. Animals move from place to place in search of food, water, shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies, but plants do not move from place to place. But certain parts of a plant may show movements in search of sunlight and air. For example, the lianas in rainforests climb up supporting trees in search of sunlight. The sunflower turns towards the sun. Animals have sense organs such as eyes, nose, and ears, so they respond to sight, sound, or other stimuli. Plants do not have sense organs, but they do respond to stimuli. For example, the leaves of a touch-me-not plant fold up if you touch them. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce young ones of their own kind. Mammals such as lions, tigers, rabbits, dogs, and human beings reproduce by giving birth to young ones of their own kind. They are called viviparous animals. Birds, reptiles, insects, and fish lay eggs from which the young ones hatch. They are called oviparous animals. Most plants reproduce through seeds. The seeds germinate in the soil and grow into young plants. Some plants can also reproduce by other ways. For example, sugarcane grows through cuttings from the stem. The underground stem of the banana plant can produce a young plant of its own.
So by seeing this animation, you have understand it very well, all the important points and all the details, right? So let's come for the new words. See, these are the new words for you. This is terrestrial, aquatic, continuous, amphibians, spiracle, xylem, producers, consumers, viviparous, oviparous, right? So let's go for the next page. And these all are the recall words of a plant and animal, right? So these are the differences that grow and that is made it. So let's next come for the exercises. First bit is match the following. So what you have to do is just take from this column and match it, which is omnivorous, which is carnivorous, which is herbivorous, right? Plant eating animal called as omnivorous. Tiger and jaguar called as carnivorous, right? Bear, which is eaten both plant and animal, known as omnivorous. Bear, frog, all this you have to do it. Okay, next let's come for the next second bit. Choose the correct answer. Let's watch this activity. See here, a bear dash are omnivorous animal, bear. Next, dash responds to quickly to stimuli, animals. So I have shown you the answers, plus you have to write it by your own. Okay, let's go for the next page. So all these blanks and all the exercises you have to do it by your own. By reading the lesson you will understand. Okay, so this activity we will do in a further class. Okay, our first lesson is completed.